So every week I challenge myself with my primary spending to see if I can spend less in areas like my spending, cash, groceries, gas, and household expenses. In April, I was able to save $573. And so far this month, I've saved $462. So closing the last week of May, I am looking to see if I was able to beat last month's challenge. And hopefully we were. Stay tuned to see. Okay, so good morning. Welcome if it's your first time to my channel, to the HeBudgets fam, the HeBudgets crew. Welcome back. Appreciate you coming back and continue to follow my budgeting journey. This morning, I am closing week number 4 of May, closing May essentially. I'm going to go ahead, unstuff my wallet envelopes, unstuff the rest of the cash in the primary binder, make sure that my monthly bills have all been paid, and see what we were able to save, if we were able to beat the 573 from April. Let's go. I hope everyone is doing well. This has been a decent month. Feels like it's been a fast month. Glad to wrap it up. I'm going to set this here for now. I'm looking forward to stuff in June. Looking forward to that extra paycheck in June, which will add extra savings opportunities as well. Just pull, I guess I'll straighten those. So this one came out of the food binder. There is 20, 25, fumbling this cash this morning, 25, 26, 27, $28. That's left in here. And for gas, there was some gas money left over. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 left in the gas envelope. And home, after that first 2 weeks, I didn't need to purchase anything else. We bought deodorant, and I think we were good otherwise on supplies. So $10 left there. We're going to empty our primary spending, our primary binder. Spending, there is an extra $20 in there. For groceries, we still have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. That is all coming out for savings. Gas money, a few bucks left in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 coming out of there. And this is just the remainder of the month's allowance. My son, he's got $25 left in his. I'm going to actually pull this out now, and I'm going to move it to his savings. His extra rollover goes into his savings. And I'm just going to put that in there. Once I go in and stuff June, we'll count those numbers and see where we are. But for now, we just unstuff it and put it in his savings binder. Fun money. Let's see. We got a couple days left, and Memorial Day is on Monday. I think I'm actually going to leave this here just in case we end up doing anything extra. And for my stash, I'm going to pull 20 out of here and roll over this other 20. Giving gifts, we just stuffed giving last week. That stays. And weekly leftovers there. We're going to add to that right now. First, I want to go in here. Actually, I'll check and make sure all the bills are paid before we count anything as extra. Car payment. I did pay my car payment. I made the regular payment. My car payment company just transferred payees. So I did go ahead and I just made the payment that they were looking for. I'll leave this to roll over, and I will make that payment on next month's bill. For my hair, so when I became a budgeter and started just being more mindful of my spending, one of the pieces that I saved a lot of money on was learning how to retwist my hair myself. So this hair spending money, I actually move it over to my Doing Me binder, and I will put it here. And so all my titles, me, lock, smile, ride. So not specific to what they are, but to a specific reason. So just in case you see lock and know that this is my hair binder. I know that locks would just be LOC, but lock is what I use for this binder. Just thought I'd mention that. I'm going to roll this over. I use this lock binder for if maybe a special occasion comes up and I really either get a higher expense getting my hair redone or decide to just not do it myself and need something extra done to it. I have the extra money here saved up. Smile, ride. If you can put in the comments what you think these other binders are for. Me is pretty clear. Lock, I've let you know now is my hair. Smile, ride, stack, and July is for our family vacation. All right, hair we took out. Insurance. I have insurance bills that actually the money just came out of my account this morning. So I'm going to move this over to the bank, and it's going to come out of from my Chase account. So that should be 38, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And that payment came out actually just this morning. So we are set there. And that's it. Next is for an additional month ahead, and that's just a savings challenge I'm working on. Perfect. So let's see where we are. We are presently at $462, and we are looking to save. We're looking to beat 573. So let's see how it went. Fingers crossed. And this is just another opportunity, a way that I use to save extra cash. I do budget into my sinking funds and savings accounts directly out of my income when I first stuff my monthly stuffing. But I use this extra month's savings or the weekly savings to then further add to my sinking funds or savings accounts. We are at 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. 152, which is a great number for savings in the week. We're going to drop that number into week 4, 152, and that puts us to a grand total savings 614. So we absolutely beat April, which actually says that we only spent, let's get back over here, only spent $226 this month. So that doesn't count just regular bills. It counts just extra spending, spending on food, spending on gas, and just any kind of random spending. So able to save an additional $614. Beat April. There's going to be a hard month to follow. So this was May. It's going to be tough for June trying to beat that number, but I would definitely try. 614 now is a number to beat. April was 573, which was a great number, but even better this month, saving $614. That's pretty great. The way that I was able to save that money, being mindful of the grocery stores. I talk to my siblings, and we like to eat, we like to cook, and it's real easy for us to just go out and buy a whole bunch of food, do a whole lot of cooking. Not that it's wasted at all, but sometimes just overdoing it. Sometimes we've got food in the freezer, and instead of eating the meat that we've bought on sale that are purchased to have and didn't get around to cooking, it sits there. Then we go get something else. For me, I was buying a lot of like vegetables that I wasn't using, or not like corn or green beans or stuff like that, but like bell peppers and green onion stuff to cook with that I then would either let go bad. So I've been really mindful, really intentional in saving that money and using what I have, using that stuff up before it goes bad, and it's reflected in the money that I'm able to save now. In gas, it's real easy to just do 70 on a freeway and burn that gas up, and when I could just take it on down. I'm never in a rush necessarily. I always try to leave on time, try to leave myself time to accommodate traffic and all those things. But got a heavy foot, it's in my blood. But I found that slowing it down a little bit saves me some money on gas. And that there is a big saver for me. So this is the close of May. We were able to save $614. To everybody that got this far in the video, much appreciated. If you have any tips, or if you have a special way that you save monthly or that you add savings opportunities for yourself, I'd love to hear about those in the comments. I look forward to making more videos and to continuing to document this journey. If you were wondering about that $100 that's sitting up there, so it's funny. I mentioned just once I started budgeting how money just moves different. So I came in this morning to my desk and this $100 was sitting under my table, under my desk. And I'm like, where's this money coming from? So not excluding the possibility that it fell from the sky, but I know that's not the case. I'm assuming that's not the case. I did come in and I prepped my cash for stuffing June. So I'm assuming this fell from that some kind of way last night. I was tired prepping, which is why I didn't get this video out. But this $100 was just sitting under my table. But yeah, money just moves different. It's there now, and it's not a struggle to make this happen, to live and to save and to meet goals. If you haven't started budgeting, I just challenge you to just start. A lot of what I was seeing in the comments is that a lot of people wanted to start. They wanted to try the cash stuffing system, but they just haven't. The biggest piece for me was just starting. Once I started, and I challenge you to just start, there's a lot of comments, and I may have mentioned it before, but trying to get their husbands or sons or brothers to start budgeting. And one of the comments I put out there is just to challenge them to just start, to try it out for 3 months to see it work for them. I even said for some of the moms that wanted their sons to start budgeting, to just to do a wager, make a bet, bet them something that would get them started, bet them, in a way to just open them up to try it, to sit down, to make out a budget, to just write down their expenses. Again, not having to use binders, using envelopes, using whatever you can get together, just putting the cash to the side, but just starting. Challenge them to just get started so that they can see how it all unfolds and how beneficial it is. I was able to save $614 this month in just being mindful of how I spent. I didn't eat different. I didn't, stay home when I wanted to go out. I didn't have to do anything that felt like I was losing out. I felt like I was missing anything. My life is happy, is decent. And, we were able to get to live like we wanted to, and still save this money. And it was just money that was not wasted, that in the past would have just been wasted. I'm going to add this cash. So the only piece is we don't have the full 614, only because we used some of those funds earlier to fund our challenges this month. But we do still have, which is going to still be a good number, that'll go towards, I'll use to do some sinking funds later. It ends up being 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 200, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, that 300, 1, 2, 302, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, yeah, $302. That'll go towards savings challenges. And I'm very happy with that. Super satisfied and looking forward to doing it again next month. Looking forward to this challenge of trying to beat 614. After a while, it gets tight. Let's say that we only spent $226 in a month. Those aren't easy numbers to beat. it was helpful because I had some food already put away, some meat in the freezers, but that runs out and we have to replenish. So I'll be replenishing coming in June. June is also got our birthdays in June, not mine, but my siblings' birthdays, and the Geminis are coming to play now. So we'll be spending some money in those areas. Looking forward to it. It'll be here. Most of the things are saved for, but we'll make it happen. Thanks for stopping by. We're about to hit the 15-minute mark. We'll wrap it up. Hope to see you all in the next cash stuffing video. I'll be stuffing June. All right. Have a great rest of the day, a great weekend, a great Memorial Day weekend. Wish you all the best. Peace.